Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Henne kasngi ka arpundre terek mentau naiweng arja kapra. Ka kenhon menteri jong ka Sorkar ikhle lama. Ka bahapo ka kenhon jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Kala syong jelang da bon kenta. Banyak keren halor bon telikiman kiba ka Sorkar ka sngodon kam. Ban simrai kirke da ka kenhon menteri. Kawai ni kimat balai keren kadai halor ka jinglong jingman ka sok san karilum Jingjia hagini kisngi bamenta halor kene ka Phang ka kenhon menteri kalasyam ya karai ban thong no da ka kenhon Tohkit ka balai lut ban Tohkit halor ki Jingjia ki baper harilum Jingjia ki balakta ya ka sok san Naduh ba ka National Green Tribunal kala pensange ya ka jingti Dewïong hakane ka jella.
Here I would like to inform you that the cabinet has decided to institute an independent inquiry into the circumstances which led to the current incident at East Jingjia Hills district. So the government will be instituting an independent fact-finding inquiry into the circumstances which led to the current incident. So therefore, the decision that was taken today was to constitute the fact-finding independent inquiry and as I said, the modalities will be worked out shortly. By the political department in consultation with the law department. We are very concerned about this. I think 2014 when the NGT ban came about, a lot of things have been happening, which has actually led to this incident here. And I think that when you talk of a magistrate inquiring, he will only confine himself to that particular incident. But we feel that no, we need to go way back and then go to the genesis and the roots of why this is happening.
Hakbedei pat ban kajing pau perthei bau wei ni kinoi lam ubah khmat ban thombor ka kong Agnes bat ka Amita sangma udai ru unong yelam ubah lor jong ka seng National People's Party harilum Jingjia hakaba nakalyang James PK sangma ulaong baladai manu ka an kan omma.
Here I'd like to make it very clear that it doesn't matter from which party a person belongs to or what his political affiliation is. If a person is guilty, I can assure you that the law will take its own course and action will be taken very swiftly.
Kiwei de kimat ki balai keren hakane kasngi ki kentop ya ka jingpen kio no ya ka jing aje rap ya ki long yeng jong ki pulat bat ki sipai ki balado no ya ka jing em jong ki haki je khon ba pher banwan ra ya ka song san ha ka jilla bat hakari hi borok away ya ki bahieng jong ki to ki pulat ba ki sipai ki balado ya ka jing em ha ka por ba ki dang pendap ya ka kamram jong ki naka nyo point san lak tengka larai ba nang ni sakman on aje rap no khat san lak tengka naka benta ki to ki baman saw pat haki jing le bat ki baha bandu no ki katto kan ne ki benta jong ki khotman naka silak tengka ka baju ai boros kata ka Sorkar nang ni sakman kan aje rap no san lak tengka bat ya ki bahieng hasam jong ki repai ba pan ki bolong sopdong hakinu ki Jingjia on aje rap ar lak tengka.
The scheme for grant of ex gratia payment to the family of armed services personnel killed in action, it was notified in the year 2012, and the state government grants ex gratia assistance to the families of personnel of central paramilitary forces, including the next of kin of the state police personnel and the state home guards personnel, etc., who are killed anywhere in the state while performing law and order duties and encounters with or incidents involving anti-insurgency, extremist or terrorist action. In the past, the ex gratia assistance to the armed forces and police personnel in the event of death was fixed at rupees 7.5 lakhs, and in the event of personnel being permanently disabled by injury inflicted or caused in or in consequence of the due performance of duties in the circumstances specified in para 1, ex gratia was provided to the tune of rupees 1 lakh. Since the amount under the scheme was fixed quite some time back, that is in the year 2012, and precedents have been created where amount sanctioned exceeded the ceiling of rupees 7.5 lakhs, and in recognition of the supreme sacrifice made by the personnel in discharge of their duties, it was proposed in this cabinet that the amount of ex gratia assistance admissible in the event of death under the circumstances specified may be enhanced for police personnel killed to the tune of rupees 15 lakhs, that is doubled from 7.5 to 15. For permanent disability of security personnel to the tune of rupees 5 lakhs, and for civilians killed rupees 2 lakhs. So this was taken up today, and this has been cleared by the cabinet.
Hakani kejelang kekenhon menteri kelai taru alor kejing pediang kayeng dorbar thawan kejela haka dorbar kabalalong haunai luar metausnam arjakat pra bandawa na Sorkar pedang ban penrong no ikaktien kasi badgaro haka kernet kebapra jongka riti sensar jongkari halor kini kejing penkre ya kini kejing dawa ban yo no kejing itu ya kaktien kasi badgaro haka kernet kebapra jongka riti sensar kalau dandro kejing penkela hang ni hang tai hakaba ka Sorkar kan sara biang yakini haka dorbar ka ban salong lasai kasngi ka arpnyo trek matau naiweng arjakat pra.
Regarding the proposal to replace the resolution approved by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 27th September 2018 during the autumn session, urging the Government of India to include the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. As you all know, this was passed on the 27th of September, the resolution, but this resolution, it was felt, requires a few changes, and it has to be passed again in the session which is taking place tomorrow, and there have been necessary corrections which have been incorporated to the resolution, and this will be taken up in the special session that is taking place tomorrow. So that is regarding the resolution to include Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India.